We have a question here for recursive formula of sequence. It says 7th term is 53 while the 11th term is 97 and we have to find our 100th term. Now how to find our 100th term, because here we don't have our common difference as well as our initial term. So in this scenario, whenever we have this situation, when we don't have our initial term as well as our uh, difference between the two series number, then what we have to do, simply gonna use our terms number as well as the term. Here I can have 11th as well as my 7th terms. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna subtract my 11 from 7. So if I subtract both of them, I will get 4, and similarly for their numbers as well, 97 and 53. So if I subtract 53 from 97, I will get 44. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply divide 44 with my this 4. I will get 11, which is my common difference now. So here, how I'm gonna do this thing, I just simply find out my d first, then my initial value. I'm repeating it again. What I did, I just simply subtract the numbers between the two sequence and their terms between them. So whatever I find, like this thing 4 and 44, I find out the subtraction between them. So whatever I get the answer, I simply divide them and find out my d. Now it's time to find out my a. In order to find it, first of all write my general terms formula, which is Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. Now I have to choose any one of the sequence in between them. I'm choosing the upper one, which is 7th term is equal to 53. So because my 7th term is 53, so I'm placing my term number with 53 equals a plus, because it's my 7th term, so I'm going to place 7 here instead of n and d instead of 11. So if I'm solve it further, I will get 53 equals a plus 7 minus 1 will be 6 times 11. So it will be 53 equals a plus 66. If I solve simplified further, subtracting like terms will give me negative 13. So my a is now negative 13, my d is 11. So it's very easy for find me the 100 term as well as the other terms. So I'm going to write my normal general term which contain a and d as well. So it will be Tn equals negative 13 plus n minus 1 times 11. If I solve it, I will get negative 13 plus 11n minus 11, which will give me Tn equals negative 24 plus 11n. This is my general term now. Now in order to find my 100 term, I'm going to replace n with 100. So I'm going to write negative 424 plus 11 times 100. And if I solve it further, I will get 1076, which will be my 100th term. Stay updated for more videos and kindly subscribe my channel.